Hello everyone. So today we are going to look at this error. So adjacent JSX elements must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. Okay, so this error occurs when you try to return the two elements in a single component at a parent level. Okay, so let's say you are returning one division. Okay, and you also returning another division here. Right now it will throw that error. Now let's say you want this another division also, but you don't want the parent element. So to fix this, you can wrap the whole thing in the React fragment. So this is the fastest way to create the React fragment. Wrap the whole thing in the Angular brackets. Now our error is gone and you can see the content. And another way to create the React fragment is you can do react.fragment. Yep. So this is also the same syntax, and also you can do this also, fragment, and use fragment only. Okay, this way you can fix the error. Yeah, thanks.